Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the podcast. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Mark. How are you today, Sophia?
I'm great, Mark. I'm excited about today's lesson.
Me too. And before we start, we have something for you. You can download a free lesson with all the examples from today. The link is in the description below.
Yes, please download it. And if you like this podcast, please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends.
Exactly. When you share, it helps other learners find us. We really appreciate it.
Okay, so today we're talking about cities. We're going to compare cities.
That's right. When you compare, you look at two things and see the differences.
For example, is New York bigger than London? Is Tokyo more expensive than Paris?
These are comparisons. And today, you will learn how to make comparisons in English.
This is very useful. You can compare cities, countries, food, people, anything.
Yes, and we're going to use simple grammar. We call it comparatives.
Don't worry, it's easy. We'll show you step by step.
Let's start with a short dialogue. Listen carefully. Sophia and I will read it together.
Okay, I'll be Sophia in the dialogue, and you'll be Mark.
Perfect. Let's begin.
Mark, where did you go this time?
I was in New York and then London. Two very different places.
Which one did you like better?
New York is definitely more energetic than London. It feels faster and busier. London is generally calmer, and its history feels much older.
Did you find London less expensive than New York?
Not really. London is still very expensive, but a subway ticket in New York is pricier, and a coffee in New York is often stronger.
That's true. Have you ever visited Tokyo?
No, but I really want to. Is it bigger than New York?
It's much bigger. It has more people, but it's also more organized than both London and New York. The public transport is much cleaner and more reliable.
Wow! Is Tokyo also more modern?
In terms of technology, yes, it feels brighter and more advanced. But it also has temples that are much older and more peaceful than anything in New York.
That sounds like a wonderful mix of old and new. So Tokyo is more exciting than London, but maybe less crowded than New York.
I think so. It offers more history and more future at the same time.
I guess Tokyo is the best city to visit for a truly unique experience. Thanks for the tip.
Great. So that was the dialogue. Did you hear the comparisons?
Yes, we said things like bigger than, more energetic than, calmer than.
Exactly. These are comparatives. Now let's break it down and learn how to use them.
Okay, let's start with short adjectives. Short adjectives are words with one syllable.
For example, big, old, fast, calm.
When we compare with short adjectives, we add er at the end. Then we say than.
So, big becomes bigger. Old becomes older.
Let's practice. Sophia, is New York big?
Yes, New York is big, but Tokyo is bigger.
Perfect. Tokyo is bigger than New York.
Now you try. Listen and repeat. Tokyo is bigger.
Tokyo is bigger than New York.
Good. Let's try another one. Is London old?
Yes, London is very old. London is older than New York.
Great. London is older than New York. Now you say it. London is older than New York.
Good. Let's do one more. Mark, is New York fast?
Yes, New York is fast. New York is faster than London.
Perfect. New York is faster than London. Your turn. Say it out loud. New York is faster than London.
Nice work. So remember, for short adjectives, add er and then say than. Now, let's look at longer adjectives. Longer adjectives have two or more syllables.
For example, energetic, expensive, beautiful, organized.
With longer adjectives, we don't add er. Instead, we say more before the adjective.
So, energetic becomes more energetic. Expensive becomes more expensive.
Let's practice. Mark, is New York energetic?
Yes, New York is energetic. New York is more energetic than London.
Perfect. New York is more energetic than London. Now you try. Say it with me. New York is more energetic than London.
Great. Let's try another. Sophia, is London expensive?
Yes, London is expensive. London is more expensive than many cities.
Good. London is more expensive than many cities. Your turn. London is more expensive than many cities.
Excellent. One more. Is Tokyo organized?
Yes, Tokyo is very organized. Tokyo is more organized than New York.
Perfect. Tokyo is more organized than New York. Say it out loud. Tokyo is more organized than New York.
Very good. So for longer adjectives, use more before the adjective, then say than.
Now there are some special adjectives. We call them irregular.
Irregular means they don't follow the normal rules.
The most common one is good. Good becomes better, not gooder.
So we say, Tokyo is better than London, or this coffee is better than that coffee.
Another irregular adjective is bad. Bad becomes worse.
For example, the weather today is worse than yesterday.
Let's practice. Mark, is the subway in Tokyo good?
Yes, the subway in Tokyo is very good. It's better than the subway in New York.
Perfect. The subway in Tokyo is better than the subway in New York. Now you say it. The subway in Tokyo is better than the subway in New York.
Excellent. Now let's try bad. Sophia, is the traffic in New York bad?
Yes, the traffic is bad. The traffic in New York is worse than the traffic in Tokyo.
Good. The traffic in New York is worse than the traffic in Tokyo. Your turn. Say it. The traffic in New York is worse than the traffic in Tokyo.
Great job. So remember, good becomes better and bad becomes worse.
Now let's practice with questions. When we ask a comparison question, we use the same structure.
For example, is Tokyo bigger than London? Is New York more expensive than Paris?
Let's try. Sophia, ask me a question.
Okay. Mark, is London older than New York?
Yes, London is much older than New York. London has buildings from hundreds of years ago.
Perfect. Now you try. Ask a question. Use bigger. Which city is bigger?
Good. Maybe you said, is Tokyo bigger than London? Or, is New York bigger than Paris?
Excellent. Let's try with a longer adjective. Ask a question with more interesting.
For example, is Tokyo more interesting than London?
Great question. I think both cities are very interesting, but in different ways.
Perfect. Now let's practice with you. Think of two cities you know. Which one is bigger? Say your answer out loud.
Good. Maybe you said Beijing is bigger than Shanghai, or Los Angeles is bigger than San Francisco.
Excellent. Now think again. Which city is more beautiful? Say it out loud.
Nice. Maybe you said Paris is more beautiful than Berlin, or Rome is more beautiful than Milan.
Very good. You're doing great.
Now, let's talk about another word you heard in the dialogue, the word less.
Less is the opposite of more. We use less to say something is not as much.
For example, London is less crowded than Tokyo. This means Tokyo has more people.
Or, this coffee is less strong than that coffee. This means that coffee is stronger.
Let's practice. Mark, is London less busy than New York?
Yes, I think London is less busy than New York. New York feels faster.
Good. London is less busy than New York. Now you try. Say it. London is less busy than New York.
Perfect. Let's try another. Sophia, is Tokyo less expensive than London?
I think Tokyo is less expensive than London in some ways. Food in Tokyo can be cheaper.
Good. Tokyo is less expensive than London for food. Your turn. Tokyo is less expensive than London for food.
Excellent. So you can use less with longer adjectives to show the opposite of more.
Now, let's put everything together in a short story. Listen carefully. I'll tell you about my friend Anna.
Okay, I'm ready.
Anna lives in a small town. Last year, she visited two big cities, Madrid and Barcelona. She wanted to compare them. Madrid is bigger than Barcelona. It has more people and more museums. But Anna thinks Barcelona is more beautiful than Madrid because it's near the sea. The beaches in Barcelona are cleaner than the beaches near Madrid. However, Madrid is less expensive than Barcelona. A hotel room in Madrid is cheaper. Anna also thinks Madrid is more traditional than Barcelona. Barcelona feels more modern and more international. In the end, Anna liked both cities, but she thinks Barcelona is better for a vacation because it's more relaxing.
Great story, Mark. So Anna compared Madrid and Barcelona.
Yes, she said Madrid is bigger, but Barcelona is more beautiful.
And Madrid is less expensive, but Barcelona is better for a vacation.
Exactly. She used many comparatives in her story.
Did you hear all the comparatives? Let's list them. Madrid is bigger than Barcelona.
Barcelona is more beautiful than Madrid.
The beaches in Barcelona are cleaner than the beaches near Madrid.
Madrid is less expensive than Barcelona.
Madrid is more traditional than Barcelona.
Barcelona is more modern and more international.
And Barcelona is better for a vacation because it's more relaxing.
Perfect. So many examples. Now, let's review the key grammar rules.
Rule number 1. For short adjectives, add er and then say then. Big becomes bigger. Old becomes older. Fast becomes faster.
Rule number 2. For longer adjectives, use more before the adjective, then say than. Energetic becomes more energetic. Expensive becomes more expensive. Beautiful becomes more beautiful.
Rule number 3. Some adjectives are irregular. Good becomes better. Bad becomes worse.
Rule number 4. You can use less with longer adjectives to show the opposite. Less expensive, less crowded, less busy.
And remember, after the comparative, we say than. Bigger than. More beautiful than. Better than.
Great summary, Sophia. Now let's practice one more time with you.
Yes, think of two cities you know. Compare them. Use at least 2 comparatives.
For example, you can say, Paris is bigger than Lyon. Paris is more crowded than Lyon, but Lyon is calmer than Paris.
Or you can say, my city is smaller than Tokyo, but my city is less expensive than Tokyo. My city is more peaceful than Tokyo.
Perfect examples. Now you try. Think of your answer. Say it out loud. Compare 2 cities.
Excellent. I hope you said your answer. Remember, practice is very important.
Yes, don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes help you learn.
Now, let's do a quick review of all the key language from today.
We learned short adjectives with ER. Bigger, older, faster, smaller, calmer, cleaner, cheaper, stronger.
We learned longer adjectives with more. More energetic, more expensive, more beautiful, more organized, more modern, more advanced, more peaceful, more exciting, more reliable, more traditional, more international, more relaxing.
We learned irregular adjectives. Good becomes better. Bad becomes worse.
We learned to use less for the opposite. Less expensive, less crowded, less busy.
And we learned to use than after the comparative. Bigger than, more beautiful than, better than.
We also learned some useful city vocabulary: energetic, calm, crowded, organized, public transport, subway, temples, traffic.
And we learned to ask comparison questions. Is Tokyo bigger than London? Is New York more expensive than Paris?
Great review! Now here's your homework. We want you to practice.
Yes, write a comment below. Answer this question. Compare two cities you know or two cities you want to visit.
Use at least 2 comparatives in your answer. You can use the sentence frames we give you.
Here are the frames. First frame, blank is bigger than blank, or blank is smaller than blank.
Second frame, blank is more beautiful than blank, or blank is more interesting than blank.
Third frame, blank is better than blank for blank. For example, Paris is better than London for food.
So write your comment. Use these frames. We want to read your answers.
And remember, don't worry about mistakes. We're here to help you.
Yes, every comment helps you practice, and practice makes you better.
Okay, before we finish, let's remind you one more time. Download the free lesson. The link is in the description.
Yes, the lesson has all the examples, all the vocabulary, and extra practice exercises.
And please subscribe to the podcast. Click the subscribe button.
And like this episode, it really helps us.
And share it with your friends who are learning English. Sharing helps other learners find us.
If you have ideas for future topics, write them in the comments. We read all your comments.
Yes, we love hearing from you. Your ideas help us make better lessons.
Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for listening.
Yes, thank you. Keep practicing, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Remember, you can do this. Comparing cities is easy when you practice.
Yes, use comparatives every day. Compare your city, your food, your weather.
The more you practice, the better you get.
Exactly. So keep going. You're doing great.
See you next time.
Take care.